Today I will show you how to create cartoon effect in Photoshop. Select the filter option from the menu bar. Click on the filter gallery. Select poster edges, then click on OK button. Again, go to Filter tab, choose Stylize and click on Diffuse. Select anisotropic option, then click on OK button. Again, go to Stylize and select Oil Paint. Stylize equals 3, Cleanliness equals 10, and hit on OK button. Go to Filter, choose Sharpen. This time, select Unsharpen Mask. Give amount equals 150, then click on OK button. In Layer panel, click on Adjustment Layer icon. Choose Warm, Look Up. Select Crisp Warm, Look. That's it. Your cartoon effect is ready. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.